Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, October 3rd, 2010 am. This boy is not a medium, but we can act on him in the sense that we can suggest information to him which you can confirm to him. We appreciate their way of doing this work with so much heart and an acute sense of analysis. They are perfect in their role and they will be able to speak about these messages with much conviction, having understood them in all their subtlety. We have explored a certain number of aspects of human behavior and tried to draw your attention to the faults which you must correct to further your progress. We suggest to you a way of thinking and being quite simply. It must put you more at ease with others and yourself. We don't impose anything and don't want to make you feel guilty on any account. That is not in our method. We only wish to help you to see yourself in your own reality and to make the decisions you deem useful for your inner transformation. You are the only judge of your behavior. Your fate lies in your hands. We only want to make you become aware of what these behaviors should be so that you can go where you wish. Babuji. Wednesday, October 4th, 2010 am. Don't dwell on what is said in this book on channeling. The issue is complex and there are no reasonable scientific explanation of this state. The ones given do not capture the most outstanding aspects of channeling. True mediums are chosen. In old times, they were recognized and respected, more particularly in some corners of the world. Prominent personalities used to consult them and take account of this in the important decisions they had to take. Some heads of state do the same today, but they are careful not to disclose it, fearing to be the laughing stock of ignoramuses. It's worth stressing that true mediums are rare. Do not seek to know more about this topic. Further explanations would not convince obtuse people. You have better things to do. Make of it what you will. Excessive materialism drives individuals away from true knowledge and the real capabilities of the human being. At the speed things are going, men will become robots one day, really completely dehumanized. Before long, the innumerable resources of the brain we have already alluded to will not be recognized and used. Many steps remain to be cleared before reaching the age of enlightenment. That is the way it goes. Babuji.